So today is the workout's called Delusional, which is what the whole thing is called, but you'll see why in a second. So in between every exercise that we're going to do, you're going to be doing 10 competition burpees, and I'll show you what that is. So, like for instance, everything we're doing we'll be doing in 20s, so after you do 20 of whatever it is, then you'll be doing 10 of the burpees in between each of the 20. So this is the competition burpee. So it's just like a burpee, but you're going all the way to the ground, okay? So, ground. Okay, so 10 of those in between each 20. So, first thing we're going to do is 20 kettlebell swings. I don't have a kettlebell, and these are kind of hard to hold, but so you're going to do each arm, 20 of each arm. Okay? So, 20 of these on your right side, and then you'll be doing your 10 burpees, and then same thing, 20 of these on your other arm. Okay. Next thing is reptile push-up. So you'll be going all the way to the ground, and then when you come back up, bring your knee up, ground, up, and then other side. Yep, okay. And then, jackknife. So each side 20. Okay, bring your elbow to your thigh 20 times. Then your burpees. And then other side, knee to thigh. Okay, and then next thing is strict mountain climbers. So your normal mountain climbers, you're going here, okay? But for strict, you're going to bring your foot up to your hand, okay? So each side. 20 of those. Okay, and then the dragon backward alternating lunge with dumbbells. Okay, so this one, you're just going to sit down into it, okay, on each side. And then beginners, you can just drop the weight. Okay, and then side to side weighted squat. So you'll be, oh, there we go. So the foot that's on the inside, just keep it straight, and you're just going to squat down. Okay, and then same thing, beginners, just drop the weight. Okay, and then knee hugs, 20 knee hugs. So advance, lay down, keep your feet off the ground, come up, and hug your knees. Okay, so 20 of those. And then beginners, you can keep your feet on the ground, lay down, come up, and then hug your knees. Bring them back down, lay down. So you're just putting your feet on the ground in between each one. So you can do that. Whew. Okay, and then next is dumbbell lunge press. So same thing, we're going to do each side in between 10 burpees. So, so side that's back, go down to a lunge, and then when you come up, you're going to press up, okay? So lunge, come up. Okay, and then your 10 burpees, and then other side. Pull it in the press, lunge, up. Okay, and then beginners, you don't have to use any weight or lesser weight. Okay, and then 5 jump squats. So feet shoulder width apart, facing forward. Okay, and sit down and jump up. Okay, so you're gonna do 5 of those, and then beginners, just be right here.